Laurel syrup and tea against dry cough recipes. Laurel syrup and tea are traditional remedies that are sometimes used to alleviate dry coughs. Laurel leaves, also known as bay leaves, contain compounds that may help soothe coughs and respiratory issues. Keep in mind that while these remedies are generally considered safe, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for persistent or severe coughs, as they could be a symptom of an underlying condition. Here are 2 recipes you can try. Laurel syrup for dry cough. Ingredients: 10–12 dried bay leaves, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of honey, 1 lemon, optional. Instructions: in a saucepan, add the dried bay leaves and water. Simmer the mixture over low heat for about 10–15 minutes, allowing the water to reduce by half. Remove the saucepan from heat and strain the bay leaf-infused water into a clean container. Allow the water to cool slightly but not completely. Add honey to the bay leaf-infused water and mix well until it forms a syrup-like consistency. If desired, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the syrup and mix. Transfer the syrup to a glass jar with a lid and store it in the refrigerator. Dosage: take 1–2 teaspoons of the laurel syrup as needed to soothe your dry cough. You can consume it directly or mix it with warm water or herbal tea. Laurel tea for dry cough. Ingredients: 2–3 dried bay leaves, 1 cup of boiling water, honey, optional, lemon, optional. Instructions: place the dried bay leaves in a teapot or heatproof container. Pour boiling water over the bay leaves. Cover the container and let the leaves steep for about 10–15 minutes. Remove the bay leaves or strain the tea if necessary. If desired, add honey and a squeeze of lemon juice to taste. Dosage: drink the laurel tea 2–3 times a day or as needed to help alleviate your dry cough. You can adjust the sweetness and acidity to your preference with honey and lemon. Remember that these remedies are meant to provide temporary relief from a dry cough. If your cough persists or worsens, or if you experience other concerning symptoms, consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, individuals with known allergies or sensitivities to bay leaves should avoid using these remedies.